Hello there, welcome to Learning Gnomes, and today I'm your host Mahadi. We are going to see how to install Laravel into your computer and use it as a framework. First, open your browser, whatever you use. It might be Firefox or Chrome, whatever. Okay, and then let's go to the Laravel. Okay, Laravel. Okay. Okay, then check the documentation and okay, this is 5.7. we're going to use 5.7. okay, the documentation, follow the documentation to install Laravel. Let's see. So the requirement is PHP more than 7.1.3. so okay, we can get that from our XAMPP server if we have one. Okay, XAMPP server. Let's install the XAMPP server for Windows, and it will automatically start. If you want to custom select which version or which one do you want, you can do that. For the Linux you can download this one, and for Mac you can download this one, but for our Windows we are downloading this one. Okay. By the time it downloads, let's check the documentation furthermore. Okay, so this blah blah blah, you don't need that, we don't need that. Okay, then installing Laravel utilizes Composer to manage its dependencies, so let's install the Composer. Okay, you can just press download, and okay, now press over here to start downloading. It's a small software, so it won't take time, and then we can go to the documentation page again. Okay, wait or till the XAMPP server downloads. So okay, we are almost at the end of our download of XAMPP server. So we have seen downloading the Composer through this link, but you can do it manually yourself, customize download using this method, but I prefer this one. This is more convenient, so whatever you choose. Okay, so our download is finished, so you can just open it and let's see what it gives us. Okay, yes. Then okay, yes. Okay, just go through. You can change the directory, but for now I'm just giving the default location that it chooses by itself. Okay, next, press next. We don't need that. Okay, now it will install by itself. Okay, the installation is complete, and do you want to start it? Okay, I want to start it. Okay, let's start it. Finish. Yeah. Okay, let's start it. Okay, and keep it on the taskbar. Okay, next we are going to install our Composer. Okay, we don't need that. Okay, just it will give you the default location, or if you have installed your XAMPP to somewhere else, you can direct it, you can browse it and give that direction. Okay, you don't need that. Okay, then finish. Press finish, and once we have downloaded the Composer, now either you can follow this method or just copy this folder. Okay, then htdocs, and you don't need these files, so delete them. And over here I'm gonna do the git bash here. You can use the command line and direct it to this specific folder like XAMPP where you have installed it, and htdocs. Okay, and inside over here you can just paste the things, and you can change the project name. That is, I'm giving it random. Okay, and press enter, and it will install automatically. You just have to wait. Okay, we are done with the Laravel installation, and you can either close it or keep it. Let's check. Okay, we have all the folders we needed, and now let's start the Laravel. Okay, we're going to git bash over here and check whether we have really installed it. Okay, and right over here php artisan serve, and it's going to serve you your Laravel, and they have already provided you the local address. So okay, and go to your browser, and now write localhost. Okay, 8000. See, we have reached our Laravel, and that's how you install Laravel. And thank you for watching, and on our next video I will show you how to use the authentication system from Laravel. See you in the next video. Thank you.